Hello there, welcome to Genesis Models. My name is Bobby Waldron and welcome to the store giveaway hour and channel update this time. Now, because we've only got an hour for you guys to, get in on these store giveaway hours, we're going to jump straight into it. Now, I've got a couple of nice little kits, but then I've got one nice big expensive kit for you to potentially get your hands on. So, first off, got some nice little Airfix 1/72 scale kits. We could bring you in a little bit on this. We have the 1/72 scale Bolton Pole Defiant Mark 1. This is by Airfix, and this is going to be going, it normally RRPs at £9.99, but we're going to be giving this away for just £5. Right, if you want to get in on that, it is the store giveaway hour code is SGH04, right? SGH04 for the Defiant. Moving along, we have another nice little kit just here. We have Airfix's 1/72 scale Hawker Typhoon Mark 1B. Really nice, cool kit. This is going to be normally an RRP on the Typhoon is again £9.99, and we're going to be giving it away for £5 as well. So good 50% off there. The store giveaway hour code will be SGH03. So get in on there, 03 on the end, and that'll get you a nice Typhoon. We then do also have, going to be giving away a nice couple of 1/72 scales with this one. We have the Focke-Wulf FW190A8 1/72 scale. This one again, no, well actually this one's going to be really sort of, I mean it's quite cheap anyway. Airfix puts this RRP'd at £6.99, and we're going to be giving it away for a nice £3.50. £3.50 for a kit. The store giveaway hour code for that is SGH02, right? So 02 on the end for our Focke-Wulf there. Then we've got our nice big kit. We don't have many of these in stock, so get in there fast. We're going to be giving away this whopper here. This is one of these big lovely kits. I've got to zoom out a little bit here. Absolute pleasure to build these kind of things. So blind detail on the surface, cockpits are amazing. You really don't need to go out and get like aftermarket parts for these kind of kits, if you ask me. Everything you possibly want really is in this. The store giveaway code for this is SGH01. They normally retail at a whopping £129. They are an expensive kit, but we're going to be giving this one away for just £85. You won't find this kit any cheaper anywhere on the internet, so it is here while stocks last and within this hour that we have. So hopefully you're going to enjoy sort of getting your hands on some of those kits and everything, but we're also doing a channel update, so let's move along with that. So the channel update that we're doing here, it's just basics, what we've already done in the past. We've done things like monthly shows, vlogs, news vlogs, and all these kind of things. I'm just changing the name to channel update, and I'm kind of playing around with merging it with the store giveaway hour just to kind of put everything all in one sort of package, that once a month kind of thing. So with the channel update, what have we been working on? Well, to be honest with you, it's normally a very sort of slow month come August time, sort of July time, because I think everyone's just out off on their holidays. I went off on holiday for a week this month, so I've been a bit slow, but we are working on the Phantom just here, as you can see. This one, we've finally got that tub in there. Lots of sort of filling, sanding and scribing going on. So I have sort of focused on that filling and sanding quite a bit this month. But to move forward with this build now, I think really we're going to probably finish off with doing scribing and all this kind of stuff, especially around these air intakes, how to scribe something that you've done a glue line on, right, because that can be a little bit tricky and very sort of different, and you got to be careful about the P-cutter not sort of going into that glue line and it going all gooey and it's soft and all that kind of stuff. We'll get through it through this month. Then I'm probably going to spend a bit of time just actually off camera doing all the filling, sanding and scribing on this, so I don't kind of bore you with too much of that kind of stuff. So hopefully I'll kind of move through with that and start gluing things sort of on here, getting the wing sections to go on. There is a bit of scratch building I want to do with this as well. We've got all sorts of, because it's an old kit, it is lacking in one or two areas, so a little bit of scratch building should hopefully sort a few areas out. Maybe we might start getting a primer down by next month, but we'll see how we go with that. Also, I am going to be starting, I have already started another step-by-step, but I'm going to be starting another step-by-step. This one's going to be a little bit of a secret, right? It's going to be coming out in the next couple of weeks. It's a new step-by-step. The Phantom is our weekly build. This new one I'm doing is where we do it every fortnight, release that one. That one I'm going to be doing a quick little sort of, call it a little sneak peek on Facebook, like a little sort of guess what it is before we sort of release it, just to kind of, you know, get you guys over to Facebook and maybe sort of go check it out if you're sort of excited for the next step-by-step. That one should be quite cool. I do have another one, you know what, I'm just going to show you. Here it is. It is this is my other step-by-step that I'm working on, but this is the one, if you remember last month I did mention I was going to finish it before I show any episodes, something I want to sort of try out. So as you can see, we're sort of really getting through the build stage with this. It's going to be more of an advanced type step-by-step, because, you know, I want the episodes to be maybe about 3 episodes long, sort of like, you know, it's not going to be like a massive amount of videos. We're getting rid of all the basic, all the intermediate stuff. It's just going to be advanced stuff, focusing on stuff, trying new stuff out. I don't know how well you can sort of see that, but we did focus on sort of new spray techniques in the cockpit area. I don't think you can see down there, but there's like wood effects and chipping effects at the bottom on the floors. And then once I've got this built, I do want to go off and try a new way, for me anyway, of going about doing natural metal finishes, right? Something really sort of different in the way we go about that, because it's a nice P51D Mustang. It is by Eduard, by their way, 1/48 scale, and we're probably going to do some nice, you know, natural metal finishes, a different way of doing it and going about it, and we'll see what else I kind of find along the way. So that's one step-by-step. I'm hoping to finish that in a month or two's time, and those videos will be just released, about 3 of them ish, you know, week after week until they're all out. So nice bunch of step-by-steps kind of coming our way, new ones and stuff, as well as the Phantom moving along. And as for the website, I mean, the website, again, that is kind of like the same sort of story. It's moving along, you know. I'm hoping to get this done by Christmas. It is in the final stages, but I don't want to make any promises, because we've had a lot of setbacks and a lot more work than we totally and utterly anticipated. But yeah, I'm hoping it's going to be coming before Christmas. What else we got this month? We've got, you know, some inbox reviews I've got planned. Also, I've got these, because when I was on my holidays for a week down Devon, went to Purton, and I went to their local scale model shop, which was nice to see. And I brought these while I was in there. I brought these because, you know, I haven't got them, but I thought, hey, we'll give these a go. So I'm going to be doing a product review of Ammo's sanding sticks, some kind of interesting ones here. I've got to do a bit of research and make sure you know, I've got like the whole set, because I only brought everything that was in the shop. I don't know if like Ammo do different types or something, but we'll have a look at the set and how they work. Some of them are quite interesting, and I'm probably going to adopt these as like sort of my go-to sanding sticks with some of them, but we'll just see on that. Also, there's some shorts. It's kind of like TikTok. YouTube's gone off and started to do this kind of TikTok kind of format sort of videos, whereby they're about 15 to maybe like 60 seconds long, and it's just a quick boom boom boom, have a quick tip or a quick trick to do with scale modeling. I've already done 2. They're up on YouTube, but I'm kind of thinking I might give them a go and see if you guys like it as just a quick, there you go, have a quick tip, have a quick trick. And we'll put them up on the website and see how those go. I might do about 4, so I can release one every week or something at some point, and see how you guys like it. If not, I won't do it. If you do, maybe it could become a regular thing. So look forward to that this month as well. But sadly, we have come to the end of our store giveaway hour and our channel update. Hope to see you again. As always, we do our store giveaway hour, and we're gonna try this, adding this channel update in there every last Friday of the month at 7 p.m. And the store giveaway hour lasts till 8 p.m. So I'll see you then, but as always, until next time, my name is Bobby Waldron, this is Genesis Models, and I hope you've enjoyed.